So hi, in this video we're going to solve a problem which appear in JEE Main 2024. See that? In this particular problem, right, two types of problem actually observed in intended sources, right? One regarding finding the direct orthocenter, and in some other sources, right, some integration problem are attached with it, right, and they ask to find out that. So that problem is also available in our YouTube channel, so you can go through that as well. We'll paste that in the link. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this particular video now. See that here we have a triangle ABC, and where the vertices is given. Direct problem, we need to find out the orthocenter of that triangle. So let's go ahead and solve this. So now first consider the triangle ABC with vertices 1, 2, minus 3, 4 and 5, 3. So do so, right? First we consider the x-axis, y-axis and the respective point in appropriate position and draw the triangle. Now, what is orthocenter, right? We know that orthocenter is the point of intersection of the altitudes. What is altitude? Altitude means that if I drop a perpendicular from a vertex to the opposite side, that is altitude, or maybe heights, right? So let's go ahead, right? So here we drop the perpendicular AD and B, right? From A to BC and from B to AC. Now see that if I drop that, it is the extended portion of it, right? That's okay, right? Now if these two perpendicular or the altitude, if we extend, they meet at the point H. So therefore H will be the altitude for this particular triangle. Now orthocenter for this triangle. Now the orthocenter can lie inside or can lie outside of the triangle, but here we doesn't have a concern on that, right? So how we solve it? So first we need to find out the equation of AD, equation of BE, and then we need to solve that two equation to find out the orthocenter. So here let's go ahead. So first, right, we find out, right, that slope of the line joining two points, right, x1 y1 and x2 y2, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So based on that, we can find the slope of the line BC joining B and C, we can be easily written as 1 by 2. So therefore, also we know that as AD and BC are perpendicular to each other, so therefore the slope of the line AD will be M2 is minus 1 by M1, which will be definitely minus 2. Why? Because we know that slope of the two perpendicular line, that product will be minus 2. Now, as AD is passing through the point 1, 2 with slope minus 2, so therefore the equation of the line AD can be easily written as y minus y1 into the slope into x minus x1. So here y1 is 2, x1 equal to 1, slope is actually minus 2. So therefore the equation of that line AD can be written as y minus 2 equal to minus 2 into x minus 1. By simplification, we find AD is y equal to minus 2x plus 4, and that's it. So now we able to find out the equation of AD. Now the next job is to find the equation of B. So let's go ahead and find out. Using the same procedure as we obtained the AD, right? First, we find out the slope of the line AC joining the point A and C, which directly given as 8 minus 2 and 5 minus 1, the ratio, which is 3 by 2. That's very obvious, right? And then, right, we find out the equation or the slope of the line BE. Well, how we find out? Because we know that BE is perpendicular to AC. So therefore, the slope of BE multiplied by slope of AC will be minus 1, and hence we find out the slope of BE will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, we find out the line BE passed through the point B and with slope minus 2 by 3. So therefore, the equation of B is y minus 4 into minus 2 by 3 into x plus 3. So if I do the simple calculation and simplify it, we able to get the equation of B. To find the orthocenter, which will be the intersection of the line B and AD. So we solve both the linear system to obtain the point of intersection. So we substitute y equal to minus 2x plus 4 as obvious in the second equation, and if we do the simple calculation, right, we able to obtain that x is equal to 3 by 2. If we substitute it back in one of the equation, right, here we substituted in obviously in the equation of AD, then we compute that y is equal to 1. So therefore, in this particular problem, the orthocenter will be 3 by 2 and 1, right? And that's it. So hence, for this particular problem, option D is the correct option. And that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.